Hello everyone, we are looking at 9010 on the Disney Treasure. This is an Oceanview Stateroom, and as you walk in you have all your closet space here. And a split bathroom, as you would expect on a Disney ship, which is super convenient for families getting ready. And one with a large tub. And a full-length mirror here. You see all the space you have under the bed to store your luggage. And this stateroom sleeps 4 because there's a pull down right there. And this couch also pulls down. The desk area with more storage. There is a refrigerator in here. And more storage here. Lots of shelves. With a very large porthole, which is nice. For great views and natural light. And that is it.